Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, haircare, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And I love the affordable makeup. So if that interests you, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I got some makeup from Nykaa. So this is a Nykaa haul, and festivities were, is around the corner. So yeah, so this much I got, and one or two are still about to come. So I thought let's just film this video. I will insert them, maybe if they will come I will insert their clip, or else I will show you in some other video. So let's just start unboxing. Yeah, these two are open. I have to open the rest of them. So let's just start with what I have already used. So I have done the full face first impression of all this makeup, not all of this, like some from Amazon and some from Nykaa. So this is the liner. This is the Maybelline tattoo liner, and this is the shade this is the purple one. I have to check what is the name. I think Amethyst. And this is the liner. It's a really pretty light purple. It's not like deep purple. So yeah, it is really pigmented and budge proof. See, it's a very budge proof liner, and this one was like half off, so it's like 500 and I got it for 250. And I think it's slightly overpriced because you have to sharpen this one. So otherwise the liner is really good. Okay, the next is this lipstick. This is the Best Babe. This is the hand swatch of Best Babe, and I have this on, and as a blush also have used this. And this is a very non-drying liquid lipstick, and this one was also 50% off, so 175. And this is a pinky nude on me, and it's a very pretty shade, Best Babe, and I will recommend you. And if the sale is still going on, try this shade. Okay, now we have another Maybelline lipstick. This is their new like it's the old formula in a new packaging. So shade extension in their creamy matte, and this is the new packaging. It's like burgundy sort of a packaging now, and this is the shade Peach Rose. So I have no clue. I have not seen anybody reviewing this, so I was like, let's just try this on my own. So I was really scared if this will be a weird sort of a shade, and I will give you a hand swatch. This is the shade Peach Rose. It's a light pink nude, and there is no peach in it. It's a pink nude, almost cool tone. So I don't know why it's like Peach Rose. The name was confusing. It's not at all peachy, so don't go by the shade name, and you can skip this shade. It's, if you want a cool tone pink only, then try it. It's a Barbie pink. I don't know, not Barbie pink, but it's not that, I don't think so this will suit a warm complexion. I have to try this, and I will use this as a blush if this will not work. Okay, okay, now the next two, I was so happy. So this is so first of all, I love L18 nail paints. They are so good. So this is the shade 165, and only on my thumb I have used this. This is a metallic sort of a nail paint. See, it's a really pretty bronzy sort of a metallic nail paint. So if you want a really special shade, you can try this. And this is the next shade 161. So it's a pretty purple, mauvey sort of a purple. I love purple, so it's really pretty. And these nail paints do last on me, so you can try these. These are not expensive. So I have this on my thumb, and rest of the nails I have the purple one. Now such shade, I will not use on all my fingers, but for a pop of color, it is really looking nice. Okay, so I got this lipstick free, and Nykaa always sends those shade which are not selling, I guess. So this is the shade Rose Day, and it's a fuchsia sort of pink, and I don't know, maybe I will use it. So I got this free, maybe for a fun pop of color I can use this. So yeah, both are pink lipstick, and I don't wear pink lipsticks. So yeah, now let's just unbox these. And Rimmel was having 60% off when I was like 50% off is like common on Rimmel, but when I saw 60% off, I was like, let's just try. I wanted to try their foundation, because there are so many foundation ranges in Rimmel, and they do have shade, and I was like so confused by the shade range, and I was really confused. So this is the Rimmel Lasting Matte Foundation. In winter I got a matte foundation. Great. Okay, let's just swatch it. And this is the shade Buff. I have no idea will this suit me or not. Okay, this is the shade. I think this will match me. How on earth this happened? I just I just do the tukka. I just bought this randomly. I just saw the discount, and I was like, but the shade is looking like this will be a good match. I don't know how this happened. It's an coincidence. But you know, I got Mist Clear for 320 rupees and this one was 320 rupees, and I was like, this is an international brand, and I have to try it, and I will let you know. It's like standard 30 ml products in it, and it says lasting, matte, lightweight, mousse. Yeah, when I swatch it, it's like mousse. So the claims are true, I think. Smooth effect, I don't know, full coverage, mattifying. Oh, so we have to test about the claims in, you know, full face first impression, and I will try this and let you guys know in that full face first impression. As of now, I just bought that shade randomly and it's a perfect match, I think. And I bought matte foundation in winter, great. And I also purchased the primer, so I can, you know, I was like, let's just try their primer also. The primer was also 60% off. Rimmer पे 50% off तो होता है, but 60% was interesting. I was like, 60% off is a good deal. Okay, I have no idea. I think I have the Nykaa Compact in it. Yeah. Okay, finally, let's just you know, खुल जा यार. Okay, खुल जा. Okay, we have the L'Oreal concealer, and this concealer is so famous, and I was like, let's just buy it. It's like 700 rupees on full price, and no, 800 rupees, and I got half off, so I was like, let's just try it. But 800 rupees for a concealer, it's really expensive. And shade range, they have 3 shades in India, and I'm like, seriously, 3 shades? And my skin tone people were recommending this one, so let's just, I'm not able to open it. So this is, you know, the tube is quite large. I hope you can see. It's like a giant component. So quantity 10 ml. Okay, usually concealer have 8 ml, 6 ml. This has 10 ml. So okay, if you are expensive, you are giving me more quantity. Okay, that's fine. But okay, I'm not mad now because it's 10 ml. Wow, shade match is bang on. Good shade match. And so this is the shade. I think the shade will be a good match. Yeah, once I will blend this out, the shade is 314, and I think the shade match will be good. Like if one shade, no, it's a good match for my face. So yeah. Okay, so finally I bought the Nykaa Compact. I was like, should I get it? And you guys know I barely set my face, so I wanted to try this because I think this is the first Nykaa product which is not overpriced, in my opinion, in my humble opinion. And this was decently priced. So this was decently priced at rupees, what is the MRP, dude? Where is the MRP? I think this is 220, but I paid 170, and I bought the deepest shade. Of course, I don't set my whole face, and see, the packaging is good. It's like secure. नहीं तो हमेशा टूटा फूटा ही आता है Amazon से तो. Okay, so this is the component. Wow, it's quite luxurious. I don't know if camera is capturing it. It's like really, it's not looking like a 200 rupees product, you guys. I'm impressed, and I have bought the deepest shade for contour, because you guys know I don't set my face. And this is the typical sponge. I don't like such sponge, but okay. Wow, see, it will be a perfect contour on me, and I'm happy. Wow. And this swatch is like really smooth. Where to swatch it? So this is the contour. So yeah, it's a cool tone contour on me. I'm so looking forward to try this in full face first impression. Comes with a great mirror also. So if you are looking for a bronzer, you can try the deepest shade. Otherwise, you can try the skin tone shade. Honestly, I will try the skin tone shade because the packaging is so luxury. I will buy the 03, you know, shade for like setting my under eyes. Okay, I really like the packaging. It is not looking like a 170 rupees product, you guys. 225 is the MRP, and it's like totally worth it. It's looking very luxe. I don't know if camera is capturing it or not. It's looking really pretty. Maybe it's white, that's why, I don't know. It's looking really luxe. And this comes with this, you know, protection, so it's like really secured. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. And I have some other products as well. I have bought the Swiss Beauty liners, the gel one, and the shimmery one, those sparkle liners. And yeah, some of the makeup products are still not yet arrived, so I was like, let's just shoot this video. Maybe I will maybe I will show you that in my next video. So I hope you like this video, and if you guys do like this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.